Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not to state the obvious, but just to build some context here, very, very impressive movement. I mean, you stop thinking about the fact that just on Tuesday, the price was all the way down here. Now the price is all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very, very impressive movement. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $24.50. Why is that level so important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen. But just for explanation's sake, let's say the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have all of a sudden? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down here, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, now, all of a sudden, you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to, make progress and show signs of progress. And once again, in this situation, the sign of progress being at 24.50. However, the other thing that could very well happen, and again, not saying it will, but if the price comes down here and then just continues on down, well, what's the big difference here? And well, now all of a sudden, the big difference is the price has gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So that is why, in my mind, that 24.50 mark, certainly a very important level to watch moving forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key resistance to watch very closely going to be right up there at that $29 mark. So $29, public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement, very impressive final 30 minutes on the day. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.